Welcome. In front of me I have the iPhone SE from 2022, and today I'll show you how you can apply your tempered glass to the device. Now I'll be using one of these things which does come with a kind of like a bumper, so you can easily apply your tempered glass to it, but I'll also show you how you can do it without such a thing like this. If you have something like this, all you need to do is just pop it open or pop it on the device, so clip it like so, and then once you grab your tempered glass, so let me just grab one here. So once you have your tempered glass, you just basically place it straight to the edge, so it pushes on the bumper, and then place it down. And as you can see, it just perfectly fits in here. So that's what you would do. Now, if you don't have such a thing included with your device, which is completely fine and understandable, you might have bought a different kind of glass which didn't come with such a thing. Then the easiest way to apply your tempered glass would be to, once you peel off this cover, to simply align it perfectly with the actual microphone right here and the camera. So make sure that it's laying perfectly in the same spot. Using your fingers, make sure that it is settled in the middle by just kind of feeling it. If it is right here in the middle, make sure that it is aligned correctly like it will be right now. And while holding it here with your two fingers, pressing it down, then just drop it. Make sure that it drops right in the middle, like so. If it goes a little bit to the side like so, you can just use your fingernail and lift it back up and try to realign it. Just try to not get any kind of dirt under the glass, just because it is sticky, so it will any kind of dirt will get stuck to it. But that would be the easiest way, just to align it with the microphone or the speaker, the camera, and then while holding it, just drop it. And as you can see, again, I literally drop it perfectly here. So this won't be as necessary. For everybody who has this, you can use it. It will make it easier. For everybody that doesn't have it, just align these 2 points here and then simply drop it on here while pressing your fingers on the display and the glass, just to keep it steady, and so it doesn't flop around or anything. So you just keep it, lift it up, align it, and then drop it, though maybe not from this height. So now that we know how to apply this, you do want to have some kind of microfiber cloth. It does come with my, as you can see, with my little kit right here. I'm just gonna use my entire rag right here that I have for this. So let's completely clean the display. There we go. So once you have it cleaned, you want to keep the rag near you, just in case any kind of dust settles onto the display. There we go. Okay. Now I will put this on just for the sake. Okay, so now that it's ready, let's peel off the cover, align it, and drop it. And that's basically as hard as it gets. Now it looks like it's not actually sticking right away. Hopefully it's visible on the camera, so I'm gonna move it in closer. Oh, right now it is. You can see it right here. There we go. So it looks like it's getting a little bit in the way, so let's take that off. Now you want to hold the glass just so it doesn't take off the glass as well. There we go. And as you can see, it is now applied. Now it looks like I have some air bubbles right here. Or is it dirt? Nope, air bubbles. See if I can get rid of them. Okay, I got most of them out. Yep, good enough, I would say. So Here we go. As you can see, it's now applied. You still have your little button accessible and everything, and the camera is exposed. So there we go. That's how you could apply your tempered glass on your brand new iPhone SE from 2022. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.